Hello guys, so today I will introduce you my updated version of the department. So come to my department. So let's go and see what these guys are doing. This is Dr. Aditya, this is Dr. Devesh. Let's see what they are up to.
We are studying about the anatomy of spine.
देख ले भाई यहाँ पे ये vertebral artery है, see? So these are the vertebrae.
Okay, so they are really busy. Now we'll move ahead to another academic session of Dr. Akanksha and Dr. Mandeep.
Guys, look at the camera.
Normal CT to Dr. Mandeep, but see what he's doing. He wants to study CT abdomen.
So this is Dr. Mandeep. Dr. Mandeep, look at the camera.
Hello.
Do you want to say something?
सब चंगा सी.
Okay, now let's move forward to Dr. Rahul, our most talented resident. Dr. Rahul, what would you like to say?
So happy feeling getting the juniors, dono second year feels starting.
Already feeling so senior. Now our one and only Rocky Bhai. Rocky Bhai, how are you feeling?
Feeling as usual, ma'am. The way we used to feel. बट अभी तो हमारी डिपार्टमेंट काफ़ी चेंज हो चुकी है. जो हमने पहले वीडियो बनाया था उसमें तो काफ़ी कितने पुराने लोग हैं, कितने
बेसिकली मीन्स टू से कि मैं बुढ़ी हो चुकी हूँ.
नहीं, आई डोंट मीन दैट, बट many new people have come and new energy here all over.
We have a great diversity. We have a lot of representation from north, south, west, from all the places.
Yeah.
So this is a very happy department to be in. Bye.